All right, so I film in my guest room. Here is my dog. She's so cute. So this is my guest room. I have my blinds shut because I don't want you guys to see where I live, but I live in a townhouse. And so out here is, this is like the front of my townhouse where all the sunlight is. So it's really important to pick a room where there's lots of sunlight. And get some wrappers out. This is my lens cleaning cloth. So this is my makeup chair. There's dog hair on it because of this one. But this is my makeup chair. This is just what makeup I do for my fiance or friends or family. And it's just so much easier to have a makeup chair and to have someone sit there and be at your like eye level and do their makeup. So that is just where I do people's makeup. And this is my setup. It's really dirty right now because I just got done filming. And you know, that's like the reality of the situation. I'm not gonna like, you know, make this fancier than what it is. This is the reality of filming. So this is my little chair. I got this from Amazon. It rolls. It's white, which is probably a horrible idea considering it is, you know, around makeup so much. That is my bag from traveling when I was doing makeup. But here's where I sit and I film right there. This is just some drawers of all my eyeshadow palettes that I own. It's just some makeup, but these are all my eyeshadow palettes. Those are some that are out because I filmed a video not too long ago with those. And there's lip products in there, some lashes, and brushes. I don't really use these brushes that much, but they're in there. The brushes I use are all up in this. This is all the makeup from filming. I have this little mirror that I just use to, you know, do makeup up close. And then I have this Impressions Vanity with these beautiful light bulbs that go everywhere. I love this. My fiance got this for me for my birthday. The desk is from college. It was one of my studying desks. Now it's my makeup table. And it comes with this huge drawer and I have these organizers in it that I got from Target. I have a whole video of me cleaning my makeup vanity. I'll have that linked below. And that's just some storage down there. So, and some more brushes. So to the juicy, how do I film? So this is my camera. I don't even know what kind of camera this is. Let's see, it's a PowerShoot SX40HS. It's from Canon. It has a view screen that comes out, which makes filming eyeshadow tutorials super easy. And it goes back in. I have 2 memory cards, 2 batteries, which really helps with filming. And I love it. It's, you know, got like a huge lens here. I don't know if you can see how big the lens is, probably not. But it's got a huge lens and yeah, I don't have any fancy cameras. This isn't like the blurring type camera that a lot of people have. I got this on Amazon, used like new, and it's been really great for me so far. Oops, zoomed in. I really love it. It's really good. Super affordable because I got it like new, used. I want to say it was like $300, you know? For a really good camera that has a view screen like this, yeah, highly recommend if you're gonna buy a camera to buy one that way. That's like new, used or something. Especially if you're first starting out, because I don't make money from YouTube. I probably make $100 a month, to be honest. And it's just really just for pure fun and enjoyment and filming makeup. So this is all out of pocket, and I'm a nurse and I work really hard for my money. So I watched a video of a girl who bought her camera that way, and that's what I did. And I love it. Good camera. I mean, it's okay. It's not, you know, the fanciest lens or the fanciest camera, but I do what I got to do with the camera. You know, that screen changes everything. So here is what I face when I film. This is my tripod. I got this on Amazon for Christmas for my parents a couple years ago. When I first thought I wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I didn't because I was scared what people would think about me, but now I don't care. And then that is my ring light, which is also from Amazon. There's a hard, foggy plastic thing. I think I moved this a couple times and I lost the other half of it. I think it would probably work really well if I had both pieces, but I don't. And it is a cool toned ring light. And you can put, I don't know what happened with this. So I bought this on Amazon. Do you see down there? Let me show you. So I just kind of set up my tripod right in front of my ring light. So it plugs in, it's not battery powered or anything. But do you see this wattle here? This wattle? I don't know. It's been like that since the day I got it. So I don't put my camera on this thing because of the wattle. Like, I don't know what that's about, you know? Like, I don't know. But it's something in here that makes a wattle, but I'm like, you know, it works. It's there. So I'll just put, tripod broke. It's been broken. I just gotta fix. Okay, 1 second, I need both hands. So I just put this here, I put my camera right there, and I sit back here and I film, and sometimes I open up the blinds so I get more light, and that's just how I film. That's it. I just put the viewer out, I put the view screen out so I can see myself, and I'll just like zoom in, but you can crop and edit with iMovie, you know? So I'll just zoom in like that, find the perfect spot for my eye, and start filming. But that is all my camera setup. It's nothing super fancy or expensive. I don't have any speakers or anything like that. I use like a microphone I put on my computer to do my voiceovers. I'm sorry I keep moving around. I'm sure this is like super waddly because I've been scrolling in my chair. But yeah, this is my guest room. This is just where I film. You know? I mean, I would like a makeup room. Eventually, I would like a makeup room, but my guest room works for me. It's really nice just to come in here. This is where I do my makeup in the morning. Before work, I'm a nurse. I just sit here in my beautiful, peaceful environment and I do my makeup. This is where I film. I mean, this is really disorganized right now, but this is the reality of the situation. Because I'll clean this every now and then, but the reality is that when I am filming, it is a hot mess express in here. And so I was like, if I'm gonna show the authentic how I film my videos, I am going to show it raw. Raw and messy and filthy and the filth that it is. So that is that. That's my filming setup, and I hope this helps you. I hope that you get the courage and the guts to make a YouTube channel and film makeup tutorials and makeup videos, and that you just do a simple setup like this: a tripod, a ring light, a table, a desk, a mirror, a camera, you know? I use iMovie for editing, I use Canva for my thumbnails, and that's just how I do it. Super affordable, easy, and convenient, and I hope this helps anyone who's curious as to how to film and edit and do all that. Actually, this isn't about filming and editing, but this is just about camera setup. And so that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and yes, get the courage, make a YouTube channel. I mean, even if you're not making money off of it, like, I'm not making much money off of it, but it's just a really nice hobby. I like to look back on my tutorials and recreate my looks, and I don't know, it's like interesting to see how much you've grown since the beginning when you start a YouTube channel. But yeah, so I hope this helps you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.